Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever been so tired from traveling that all you wanted was 5 quiet minutes, a soft chair, and something sweet and cold? Today, Hannah is walking into a real Dairy Queen for a well-earned break. One of the most familiar treat shops in all of America, known for its soft serve, its blizzards turned upside down, and that cheerful red sign that means you've earned a little rest. And here's the magic part. Hannah is going to use one tiny, polite phrase that will smoothly get her help, even when her mobile order gets mixed up with someone else's name. You can use this exact phrase the next time you walk into any Dairy Queen, anywhere in America. So take a deep breath and push open that door. Let's step into Dairy Queen. Alright. Hannah has 3 missions today. 1. Order a blizzard at the counter with a chatty first staff member. 2. Sort out a little mix-up with her mobile order name with a second, busy but kind staff member. 3. Settle into a quiet table for her break, with a little help from a third, quiet staff member in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Ordering something sweet at a treat shop is a lovely little ritual. But when a name gets mixed up on an order, it can feel confusing. Don't worry. With the right polite phrases, any Dairy Queen staff member will happily sort it out with you. By the end of this video, you will be able to order a blizzard, fix a small mix-up, and settle in for a relaxing break in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's walk into Dairy Queen. Here are today's 5 Dairy Queen key phrases. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Could you help me with my order? Could you help me with my order? This is today's magic phrase. Use it at any Dairy Queen. Or really, any counter. When something about your order feels unclear or mixed up. Could you help me? Is a warm, direct way to ask for support without sounding upset. It invites the staff member to solve the problem together with you, calmly and kindly. Key phrase 2. Can I get a small blizzard, please? Can I get a small blizzard, please? Use this the moment you step up to the counter and know what treat you want. Naming your order clearly and politely keeps the line moving and makes ordering smooth and easy. Key phrase 3. I think it might be under a different name. I think it might be under a different name. Use this when your order doesn't show up under your own name. Maybe it was typed differently, or a letter got mixed up. It's a calm, non-blaming way to help the staff member find the right ticket. Key phrase 4. Would it be okay if I sat by the window? Would it be okay if I sat by the window? Use this when you'd like to choose your own spot to relax. Asking first, instead of just sitting down, is a small but thoughtful way to be polite in someone else's space. Key phrase 5. Is there anything I should try next time? Is there anything I should try next time? A friendly way to end a conversation and invite a staff member's honest recommendation for your next visit. Most staff love sharing their own favorite treat. Great job! Now let's see Hannah use them at Dairy Queen. Hannah walks into a bright, cheerful Dairy Queen, the red sign glowing behind the counter and the soft hum of the blizzard machine drifting from the back. Behind the register is Marcus. A chatty, friendly Dairy Queen staff member in his 20s, who loves sharing little bits of trivia and stories while he works, occasionally trailing off into a fun tangent before catching himself.
Hi. Can I get a small blizzard, please?
Of course. Which flavor? We've got Oreo, Reese's, M&M. Oh, and did you know the blizzard's been around since 1985? 40 years of turning cups upside down.
Wow, I didn't know that. I'll try the Oreo one, please.
Great choice. Classic for a reason. My grandma actually worked at a Dairy Queen back in the 80s, so I grew up hearing Blizzard stories at every dinner.
That's so sweet.
Sorry. Anyway, one small Oreo Blizzard, coming right up. And there it is, upside down, just how it should be.
That's impressive. Can I get a spoon too, please?
Absolutely. That'll be $4.29. Did you order ahead on the app? Or is this your first time here?
First time. I just walked in.
Perfect. Well, welcome to Dairy Queen. My coworker Tyler's over by the drive-through window if you need anything else. Enjoy that Blizzard.
Wonderful, Hannah. Look at how simply she ordered. Can I get a small blizzard, please? Naming exactly what you want, right when you reach the counter, keeps things clear and friendly for both you and the staff member. Marcus, even while sharing his fun blizzard trivia, understood exactly what she needed. Notice too how Hannah stayed warm and patient when Marcus got a little chatty and wandered off topic about his grandma's stories. She simply smiled, let him finish, and the conversation naturally came back around. That's a lovely, natural way to keep a friendly chat on track without feeling rushed or rude. A clear, polite order plus a warm, patient ear equals a smooth blizzard order, even with a chatty staff member. Hannah walks toward the pickup counter, phone in hand, checking her app for a second blizzard she ordered ahead for the road. Behind the counter, moving quickly between the register, the drive-through window, and the pickup shelf, is Tyler. A busy but kind Dairy Queen staff member in his 30s, who works fast but always makes time for a warm, reassuring word.
Excuse me, could you help me with my order? I placed a mobile order a few minutes ago, but I don't see it on the pickup shelf.
Sure thing, 1SEC. What name is it under?
It should be under Hannah, Hannah.
I'm not seeing a Hannah. Let me check again. Oh, I think it might be under a different name. Is there any chance you typed it as Hannah, 1N?
Oh. You're right, I think autocorrect changed it. I'm so sorry.
No worries at all, happens all the time. Here it is, one medium Reese's Blizzard, extra caramel. That the one?
Yes, that's it. Thank you so much for catching that.
Anytime. Sorry for the little mix-up. Enjoy your break, looks like you could use one.
You have no idea. Thank you, Tyler.
If you want somewhere quiet to sit, my coworker Derek can point you to a good table. Take care.
Nicely handled. Look at what just happened at the pickup counter. Hannah's mobile order was hiding under a slightly different spelling, and she sorted it out calmly with busy Tyler. This time, notice something new. Hannah's opener, could you help me with my order? Today's magic phrase. Works perfectly for exactly this kind of small mix-up. It's warm, it's clear, and it invites the staff member to solve the puzzle with you. The phrase. I think it might be under a different name. Well, actually Tyler said that one first. And Hannah simply confirmed it. Either way, it's a calm, non-blaming way to explain a name mix-up, without anyone feeling embarrassed. Notice how quickly Tyler, even while juggling the register and the drive-through, took a moment to slow down and solve the problem kindly. A little patience on both sides fixed everything in under a minute. A polite request for help plus a calm explanation about the name equals a small mix-up solved fast, with a smile. Hannah carries her two blizzards toward the little seating area near the window, where a quiet, focused Dairy Queen staff member named Derek is wiping down tables with careful, precise movements. He says little, but works with real attention to detail, and gives a small, knowing smile once a table is spotless.
Excuse me, would it be okay if I sat by the window? I've been driving all morning and could really use a break.
This one's clean. Good spot, quiet, good light.
Perfect, thank you. It's exactly what I needed.
2 blizzards?
One for now, one for the road. Oreo and Reese's.
Good combo. Reese's holds up better in the car, thicker.
Oh, good tip. Is there anything I should try next time?
Chocolate extreme. Underrated. Most people miss it.
I'll remember that. Thank you, Derek. And thank you for the clean table. I really needed a quiet minute.
That's the job. Enjoy your break.
Wonderful. Hannah just took a well-earned break at one of the most familiar treat shops in America, Dairy Queen, and used 5 tiny, polite phrases with chatty Marcus, busy Tyler, and quiet Derek. Notice. The biggest phrase of the day was, "Could you help me with my order?" That warm, direct request works with any staff member, in any mood, whether your blizzard is ready and waiting or hiding under a mixed-up name. A clear order plus a calm request for help plus a polite ask to sit and relax equals a sweet, stress-free break, at any Dairy Queen, anywhere. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. Hannah checked the pickup shelf, but her mobile order wasn't there under her name. What should Hannah say to the staff member? A. Could you help me with my order? I placed a mobile order a few minutes ago, but I don't see it. B. You lost my order. C. I'll just order it again, forget it. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase. In the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 powerful phrases that will turn any sweet treat stop, anywhere in America, into a smooth, relaxing, easy break. Could you help me with my order? Can I get a small blizzard, please? I think it might be under a different name. Would it be okay if I sat by the window? Is there anything I should try next time? With these 5 phrases, you don't just walk into Dairy Queen. You walk in tired and walk out refreshed, with a cold, sweet blizzard and a smile. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It seriously means the world to me. And next time. Hannah is heading back to return her rental car, but this time, someone else is the nervous one, and Hannah is the one who gets to help. See you next time. Bye-bye.